What's up, guys? Another week at Wolvesden. Lots of projects going on. Gonna walk through a few things we're starting, as well as a bunch of other content we got going on in this video. But here, drift car. If you've been following me, you know we are building something much bigger in the drift scene. This is one of the vehicles, one of 5+ vehicles that are now gonna be part of our drift group. We're gonna host events, etc. More to come later on. Let's go. Hop in, babe. Porsche Turbo S, we are doing lowering springs, wheels, exhaust, paint protection film, the whole 9 yards. This vehicle is gonna be pretty badass. This vehicle is gonna be dope when it's done, all right? Paint protection film, Z06. Paint protection film on the roof. We're doing gloss black PPF on this Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. This is not even phase one. Here's one small intricate part of a much larger project that will be later on in our vlog. Check back for that. And then a G-Wagon. It's purple. Purple G-Wagon. It's for my wife. Purple hair. She wouldn't stop, so. Purple G-Wagon. There you go, Jay. Purple G-Wagon. Mercedes GLE 63. You already saw this on our vlog. This is a carbon kit we did. My client, after we put all the work in to put the carbon kit on, he's like, you know what? Let's do downpipes, let's tune it, and let's do a full color change wrap. So here we are again. The GLE just loves being here. Lambo's already done. The other GLE is already done and home. We did full wraps on those. Now the third vehicle, satin white, carbon everything. Loud, pops, bangs, let's go. And for the first B-roll of this vlog, we're gonna show you a vehicle that we didn't get a chance to originally shoot, but this one's going out. This is a brand new GMC Yukon. We did a ready lift, 3-inch level, Vossen wheels, Nitto Recon grappler tires, full color change, full chrome delete, full ceramic coating. This is actually one of my favorite vehicles that we've done in a while, and yeah, hit the B-roll.
What's up, guys? Director over here. We got a special project in this week. We're working on one of Jim's cars, from gloss black to a very special blue. And then released color. Haven't made up a name for it yet, but we're leaning towards purple haze. You can see over here we did the front end. We're almost done with the front end. Gonna get to the front bumper ASAP as soon as Danny is done with it, and then we'll finish the rest of the car.
Question.
Yes.
You said blue.
Blue.
Is that not purple?
I said blue?
You said blue.
I didn't say blue.
A very special blue.
After further review, apparently I did say blue. I got a little nervous. It's purple. Oh hey, I didn't see you there. Quick update on the G-Wagon. All we have left is the bumper, and then it's good to go home.
Check this B-roll out.
What?
Check this B-roll out.
Check this B-roll out.
Ah, I f***ed it up. What's going on, guys? Jill here, aka the Surgeon. Got something different today in the shop. We're doing a drift car, full snow camo wrap going on here. We got what was it? Check this out. What's up, guys? Jill here, aka the Surgeon. We got this awesome drift car today in the shop, doing a full snow camo. It's a complete drift build. Got Prisma seats, hydraulic brakes, roll cage, the whole nine. Check this B-roll.
All right, so you'll see a new vehicle here in the shop. This one's exciting. So for those of you that don't know, a few years ago, I aspired to get a drift car. 240s, RX-7s. I've owned them, always run into issues with them, and my patience is not long, I admit that. So I ended up selling them, doing some work, selling the cars, and I was like, I'm not gonna do it anymore. But then, when my good friends Melinda, a chick drives it on Instagram, she said she was gonna pull the trigger and buy a Corvette drift car. She's like, it's time for you to do it now. So we also convinced a few of my other friends, there's 5 or 6 of us in total now, who all bought Corvettes. C6s, we're building drift cars, wide angle kit, built motors, drifting, making content. I don't know what's gonna happen with it, but I know it's gonna be fun. Good bones, a 2013 with only 30,000 original miles. So I lucked out on this, found it in Georgia, hadn't been moved or started in a couple of years, so we're gonna bring her back to life and have some fun doing it.
6.5 hours later.
I'll show you something's way better than it did. Though. Gone through, plugs, changed the oil, all the fluids, ordered some new, even though the rotors are like new in this, I just want everything new, so new big brake kit, calipers. We're gonna do one of these hydros. Got some seats in my office, new steering wheel, and we're gonna be all into it for pretty cheap money, so I'm excited, but already sounds not bad. Bad, right? Exciting, isn't it? I know I'm excited. You excited?
It's looking good.
This is like the first major phase. Wide angle kit, dual rear caliber, hydro, all getting done now. One step closer to drifting. Who needs a muffler, right? You mufflers? What are we, Democrats? What are we, in California? You got it, bro?
This is tight.
I'll just put an impact on it with an extension. Can you just do it the easy way?
I'm
trying to be a hero?
there, you know, I was trying to look like Hercules and
Just take it all the way off.
for what?
Because we're pulling the whole shit off. See, like, my guys, my techs, they're like neater than me. I would have just grabbed a Sawzall and Sawzall this shit off. Like.
12 seconds later. One minute, 37 seconds later.
Come on, get this.
Came straight for you.
Steve, you want to do the honors, bro?
Sure.
Alright, so we just made the trip out to Gas, German Autosport. My buddy Brian, this is his place. They do, they specialize in drift cars. So they finished up the hydro, a few other small things, alignment, etc. that I needed done. And it's time to get my baby back.
Check it out. Hydro's plumbed in there.
We got a hydro. There's nothing. Yeah, once I'm gonna put the new steering wheel on today too. So
Yeah, it should fit better.
it's beautiful. Feel like I'm a real drifter.
Hell yeah, dude. Gotta have the hydro.
Just gotta have someone, you know.
Those big ass legs, though, they're gonna hit that line clip and
Yeah, you
everything.
know, man. We gonna figure it out. We gonna see, brother. We gonna see. Appreciate everything, man.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for everything. And also, people on the vlog, check out German Auto Sport. My buddy Brian, he builds drift cars. They specialize in BMW stuff, but Corvettes as well he works on. So check that stuff out for any of the drift stuff. I'm new to, but he's actually way better at drifting.
Yes, sir. Yeah, guys. Anything drift alignments, track alignments, BMW and German, regular maintenance and repairs, and then a little bit of this. Hit us up.
You happy?
I'll be happier. Alright, so drift car's back. We only have one seat, so
I'm literally not on the seat.
he's not on the seat. He's just sitting there. But I mean, they say because race car. Right?
Yeah.
It's because race car is what it is. So we're gonna take it for a ride and we're gonna pull out to find a little area where we can get some content, I guess. You know? Look like a complete rookie. A little rolly. Not bad, right? Stays tracked pretty well. Maybe we'll hop out in this little parking lot and just walk up, go like in, whip, hop back in.
All right.
In, babe. Get a ticket for my YouTube video, then I guess it was worth it.
That'll look good.
All right. Up we go. Race car! Alright, so that finally concludes our YouTube vlog for the week. We were waiting to get that done, waiting to get the car back, but it's done. Here we are. This is first of much more content like that you'll be seeing. Feel free to leave us a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. You know, all the new YouTube stuff. But Wolvesden Customs _ on Instagram, Jim _super_ on Instagram. Follow us for more, and I'll see you next time.